Your garage door opener making that buzzing noise but not moving the door is a super common headache, and here's how to sort it out without losing your mind. First off, check if the door is locked or stuck. Sometimes it's just jammed, and the motor struggles to push it open. If it feels loose or heavy, the springs might be broken or need some adjustment, which a pro should handle for safety. Next, inspect the photo eye sensors near the bottom of the door tracks, because if they're dirty or misaligned, the opener won't operate properly. Also, make sure the opener's trolley is connected to the door arm. If that link is broken or disconnected, you'll hear buzzing but no movement. Try unplugging the opener for a few minutes and then plugging it back in. Sometimes a reset clears glitches. Look out for worn gears inside the opener's motor housing. Those little plastic parts can strip and cause buzzing without action. Tighten any loose bolts or screws on the door and opener because rattling parts can mess with normal function. If all else fails, check if your remote or wall switch is working fine by testing a backup remote or the manual wall button. One of the biggest mistakes people make with a buzzing garage door opener not moving is ignoring the door's mechanical issues like broken springs or misaligned tracks. Fixing these promptly keeps things safe and smooth. Another common problem is dirty or blocked photo eye sensors, which can stop the door from moving even if the opener is fine. Cleaning and aligning them usually does the trick. Lastly, many folks forget to check for worn gears inside the opener unit itself. Replacing those worn parts can save you from buying a whole new opener. Fixing these common issues early not only saves money but also avoids bigger headaches down the line. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners who want to connect with trusted local contractors without endless searching or stress. Plus, it helps contractors find real work from people nearby who need their skills, making it a win-win for everyone involved.